Hi, I've created this video to demonstrate how I want you to hand in your homework using print screens in PowerPoint. Before I start the actual demonstration, there's a few things you need to remember about performing print screens. First, the print screen button is in the upper right area of your Windows keyboard. On modern keyboards, it's literally labeled print screen. On older keyboards, it may be labeled PRT SCRN. Either way, you take a print screen simply by pressing the key once. Second, pressing the print screen button gives you no visual or audio clues that it worked. Third, when you take a print screen, you can only do one print screen at a time. Windows does not save multiple print screens. So, when you take a print screen, you have to immediately paste it into a slide in PowerPoint. Alright, let's get to the demonstration. This demonstration is using Microsoft Access 2010 and PowerPoint 2010. First, you're going to open PowerPoint. Click on the Start menu button. My computer has PowerPoint and Access set to show up immediately when I open the Start menu. However, on your computer, either your home computer or Delta's computer, you can find PowerPoint by simply typing the word Power into the search bar at the bottom of the Start menu. You open PowerPoint by clicking on it in the search results. By default, PowerPoint always opens with a title and subtitle slide already inserted. Click in the box labeled Click to Add Title and type in your first and last names. Try not to press Enter. It won't hurt anything, but it will create a blank line in the box. Now click in the box labeled Click to Add Subtitle and type in the homework name. In this case, I'm using CST 257 Homework 1. Again, try not to press Enter. Now you need to add a new slide into the PowerPoint. The New Slide button is in the upper left part of the menu ribbon of the Home tab. Click on the little triangle next to the button. When the menu appears, click on the slide that is called Title Only. It should be the first slide from the right in the second row. When the new slide is added, click in the Click to Add Title box. Type the label you were instructed to use for Slide 2 in your homework. In this demonstration, I'm using Homework 1, Number 1. Now, because this title box is a little bigger than we need to shrink it. This gives you more room for your print screen when you paste it into this slide. To shrink the box, you move your mouse down to the square button on the bottom dashed line. The square button is called a sizing handle. You'll notice that your mouse pointer turns into a double-headed arrow when you move your mouse pointer over it. Once you see the double-headed arrow, click on the square button with the left mouse button and hold the mouse button down. Your mouse pointer will turn into a large black plus sign. Slowly drag the sizing handle up. When you drag the sizing handle up, you'll notice that the whole bottom border moves. Drag the border up so the box is very thin. Be careful, however. If you drag the sizing handle too far up, you'll accidentally flip the title words upside down. If this happens, just drag the handle down a little bit. The words only shrink to a certain size, so don't worry that the words don't get any smaller after a while. After you've made the title box as thin as you can, click anywhere else on the slide to make the border disappear. Now you're going to create your first print screen for your homework. Remember, The print screen button is in the upper right on the Windows keyboard, and you take a print screen simply by pressing the key once. Like PowerPoint, to open Access for this demonstration, I go to the Start menu and type the word Access into the search bar at the bottom. Then I click on Access in the search results to open it. For this demonstration, I'm going to open the sample database that comes with the data files for Access. When the database opens, I'm just going to take a print screen of the window that's displayed. Once I've pressed the print screen button, I click on the PowerPoint icon in the taskbar to display my slide again. When PowerPoint is displayed, I click on the Paste button. It's in the upper left part of the menu ribbon of the Home tab. The image created by Print Screen now gets pasted into the slide in PowerPoint. You're not done yet, though. Notice the round and square buttons on the borders of the image you just pasted into PowerPoint. These are sizing handles for the image. You now need to resize the image by moving your mouse up to the round button in the upper left corner of the image. Notice that, like before, once you hover over that button, your mouse pointer turns into a double-headed arrow. This time, however, the double-headed arrow is on an angle, indicating that you can only resize the image diagonally. Once you see the double-headed arrow, click on the round button with the left mouse button and hold the mouse button down. Your mouse pointer will turn into a large black plus sign just like before. Slowly drag the sizing button down to the right. If you accidentally click outside of the image so that the sizing handles disappear, just click anywhere on the image and the handles will reappear. You only have to resize the image until you can read the title of the slide again. But the title won't be displayed until you stop shrinking the image. So gradually resize the image, stopping to check if you can see the title. Finally, although it's not required, you can drag the whole image to the center of the slide by clicking anywhere in the middle of the image. Then, while holding your left mouse button down, drag the image to the center of the slide. Now, click anywhere outside of the image to unselect it. With the image unselected, this is how slide 2 of your homework would look. You then repeat these steps for creating print screens for the rest of your homework. When you're ready to save your homework, just click on the Save icon in the upper left corner of the screen. When the Save dialog is displayed, make sure you use the file name the directions asked you to use. For homework 1, I'll be using my last name _ first name _ CST257 _ homework 1. After you type in the name, just click Save and you're done. I hope this demonstration was clear. If you have any questions about this, please email me. Good luck.